So here's a Lasko premium box fan. This was bought in 2019. It's a 2016-17 model. That's the year it was bought. That's the year it was built. And I bought it in 2019. Brand new in the box. It was the last one on the shelf. And as you can see, it's got the infamous little hole right there on the blade. And let's turn to the sides. Here's this side. There's no holes on it, because this ain't the older one. This is a little bit newer. And there's no holes on this side. This fan's... And let's look at the tuna cam motor. But it does have an 8-pole design. Get the feet. Okay, there's the feet. Here's the blue plug with the fuse. That you can't replace the fuse on this. So it's... And it's got the original feet, by the way. Surprisingly, this fan's brand new condition. It's almost 3 years old. So let's start up on low. And as you can see here, it's already starting to move some air. So we're gonna, which is on low. It's probably blowing some air. So we're gonna kick it on medium. High. And now it's really pushing some serious air. As you can see, the handle broke on this one, so it doesn't have to be. And off. And this one has a good long spin down. As you can hear. Nice long spin down. So we're gonna get a startup noise. So let's do that. So start up on low. Okay. It does have a startup noise. Now for medium. High. Of a startup sound on high, but overall it's a really good fan. Recommend it. And comment, and subscribe. And subscribe to Leave Out the Fan Man, Jordan U. Subscribe to Jordan. And Tori the Fan Man. And all those people. And Spats Bear. And every single one of them. And comment, subscribe, and out.